Wait, do you want to test Kimi K3? If you try to use in official website, it will show due to high traffic you need to upgrade it. Then this video is for you. You everyone know the power of Kimi K3 and its benchmark. But everyone wants to try it for free, but there will be no any way to use Kimi K. Today I will show you the way that you can use Kimi K3 for free, only in browser. Then I have find the one platform which is chathub.gg, which provide most of the model, which also include Kimi K3, where you can test it here. And best part, you can build your first 6 project with advanced model, and you build your 50 small project using some other model. Then let's get started. I'm going to authenticate using my Google account. Okay, this is the pricing section. We are going to skip it. After that, you can see advanced model. You can get 6 image generation, 6 advanced model prompting and 50 basic model prompting here. And best part about it is you can build your project. If you want to try it some basic model like Kimi K2.6 and just say hi, it will count it here in basic model. You can use one, and each month you can get this credit. At the end I'll show you the way that you can use some other credit as well. Okay, and if you try to use advanced model like Kimi K3, Claude Opus, Minimax M3, then it will only provide 6 prompt per month. But important things, in prompt you can build one entire project as well, where you can add file up to 20 MB, you can upload image and many things here. If you just say hi, which model is it, then it will take your 1 credit. But at the same time, if you build one complete project, then still it will take only 1 credit from here. I will show you by building one project. I didn't prepare any prompt, that's why by building one random game which is space shooter, here I'm going to ask, can you build one space shooter game in single HTML file, where it will end this project, it will only takes 1 credit from here. Okay, this is the Kimi K3, where it will think, where it will analyze, then only it will start to work. It will takes a little bit more time. Okay, not only Kimi K, you can also use Claude Fable 5, Claude Opus 5 as well. You can see it will takes only 1 credit from here. Let's preview it here as well. Press enter to start. You can see this is the game and it is working perfectly. Again enter to restart. Yeah, game is working is perfectly. This is the basic type of prompt. If you want, you can also give one detailed prompt and build one entire project here from this single credit. If you can see which model will be included in advanced and which model will be included in basic, you can find it all. Okay, not only from advanced, you can build 60 project using Minimax 3, Kimi K2.6, Kimi K2.7, Coin 3.6, Coin 3.7 Flash. This is not a dumb model. This is also an intelligence model. Okay, this is Kimi K. If you want, you can also use Claude Fable 5 here as well. Okay, if you didn't believe, it will create one large project as well. Then I'll show you the demo. Here you can see it will be nearly 100 line of prompt. You can see I'm scrolling it. I'm going to build one full portfolio website. Age and everything will be mentioned here. This 100 line of prompt only takes 1 credit from here. I'll show you the final output. Let's see how much time it will take. You can see what does it need to be include. This is the prompt, nearly 100 line of prompt. At the end you can see it will only takes 1 credit. I'll provide all my details, my name, my YouTube channel link, my GitHub link, my LinkedIn link, and my some other details. Let's see how much time it will takes and which type of portfolio it will build. We are going to wait until it will building. This is the to-do list it will prepare before start to code. When it will ready, I will show you the final output. Let's wait until it will complete. It will thoughts for 5 minutes and 13 seconds, and now finally it will start to write a code. You can see how much Kimi K intelligence it is. It will first prepare everything, then only it will start to code. Let's see the final output. you can see the power of Kimi K3. And finally it will complete it, and it will takes only the 1 credit from here. It will return 2000, more than 2000 line of code in 1 credit. You can see, let's see the preview. Okay, perfect. For the better visibility, I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it in my VS Code. Inside test folder, first we need to remove this code. I'm going to remove this code and paste it here. You can see this code is nearly 1250 line of code. And this is my portfolio built by Kimi K3. You can see, if you have provide your image, then imagine how much awesome is it. You can see fully scrollable. After you have scrolled, then only content will be appear. You can see this skill section. Wow, how much awesome is it. It will directly fetch my video name from my YouTube channel and show it here. This all will be available in my main channel WTF code. If you want, you can also visit it there. Content creation, monthly view, subscriber. The data is not actual, but it will make this portfolio very awesome. Do you imagine the power of Kimi K3? By this way, you can easily test it, Kimi K3, in this platform that I have shown you. Okay, fully animated portfolio for you. And here you can also change the theme of this portfolio website as well. Okay, and navigation is also working perfectly. Each and everything will be perfectly. That's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. And happy coding. Bye bye.